welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa. And who doesn't like Maggi? And we're always looking for new varieties of Maggi. So today I bring you a hot garlic Maggi recipe straight from the streets of Mumbai. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making hot garlic Maggi street style recipe. And guys, if you do like my recipe, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you get notifications each time I upload a new recipe, and it's free of course, so why wait, right? And now let's proceed. So guys, I'm going to make 2 Maggi. So for 2 Maggis, I'm going to add about 2 cups of water, and once the water is tad bit hot, I'm going to add half a capsicum, half tomato and half small onion to it. And now guys, let's add the masala that comes along with the Maggi. And 1/4 teaspoon of the chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, along with some spicy garlic chutney, about 1 tablespoon of that. And now let's mix it all in. So guys, if you're wondering which garlic chutney to use, you can use any that you have in the house. But if you're planning to make one, then I have an awesome recipe. So do check it out. I will put the link in the description box. Do not miss it. Once mixed, let's now add our Maggi noodles. And let's cover it up and let it cook for the next 3 to 4 minutes on a very low flame. So guys, after 4 minutes, let's look at our Maggi. Oh my god, it is looking amazing. It's looking just absolutely wonderful. So now let's just quickly add a little bit of butter. So about half teaspoon of butter, and now let it just quickly melt, and then we are ready to serve. So now guys, let's remove it in a serving plate. So guys, you saw how amazing our Maggi is looking, and I absolutely cannot resist it, so I am digging in. Garlicky flavor, amazing. If you like garlic, you're definitely going to like this. And guys, if you have some kids in your house, you're making it for your kids, just reduce the quantity of the garlic paste and definitely do try it out. I absolutely cannot keep my eyes off the Maggi and I cannot stop eating it. It's just so tempting. Do make it. You like my recipes? Do click on the subscribe button, because that is one way you can support me. And guys, if you like my recipes, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very, very soon. And now let me please go ahead and enjoy my Maggi. You also go ahead and make your own Maggi. Don't eye my Maggi.